Alright, investors and market fans, grab your popcorn because today's stock market was basically the summer blockbuster you didn't know you needed. Let's break down the action from July 22nd, 2025, and trust me, the drama didn't disappoint. Let's start with the main stage, the major indices. The Nasdaq tried to run but tripped over its own shoelaces, closing at 20,895, down 0.37%. S&P 500, slight dip, down 0.10%. But still standing tall after yesterday's record. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones was the only one in the green, up 0.07%. I'm guessing the Dow had an extra shot of espresso this morning. Russell 2000 was feeling strong, up over 0.5%. Small caps out here flexing. And the VIX, our favorite market mood ring, ticked up 1.2%. Translation investors are feeling a little jumpy. Now, on to the real drama, the earnings season. First up, General Motors. The profit engine sputtered, sinking more than 6% after a brutal 32% drop in Q2 core profit. Tariffs cost them $1.1 billion, ouch. Next quarter, not looking much better. GM's new slogan should be, like a rock, at the bottom of a hill. Philip Morris also took a drag, down almost 8% after disappointing results. Investors weren't lighting up for this one. Lockheed Martin fell out of the sky, tumbling over 9% as profits nosedived 80%, thanks to a huge $1.6 billion charge on a classified project. Even secret missions couldn't pull off a rescue here. Coca-Cola actually beat estimates, but case sales kind of fizzled, down just 1%, and they're rolling out a new cane sugar soda in the fall. Sweet, but not sweet enough for investors. Nvidia, down for the third day in a row, even with all those AI chip sales to China. Proof that even artificial intelligence needs a mental health day. But not everyone's crying in their portfolios. Coles exploded nearly 40%. Trading actually had to be halted because everyone on our Wall Street bets and StockTwits apparently decided to go on a retail therapy spree at the same time. Defense stocks made some noise too. Northrop Grumman soared 8% after raising its profit outlook. Global tensions might be simmering, but defense stocks? Pure sizzle. On the flip side, Circle plunged 8% after an analyst downgrade and some new federal stablecoin rules. Crypto fans, not so stable today. Trump media managed a small pop, up 3%, though it's still down a whopping 40% for the year. Not even a $2 billion Bitcoin buy could tweet this stock to the moon. And NXP Semiconductors slid too. Tariffs are hitting auto chip makers where it hurts. Let's run through some other wild cards. Opendoor gained 2%, Lucid and NIO both jumped about 9%, QuantumScape up 6%. But Seres Therapeutics tumbled 15%, Badger Meter Dove 13%, and Agilysys wasn't feeling the love either, down over 9%. Commodities? Oil prices slipped to $67, maybe time for new tires, but gold sparkles, up 1% to $3,441. Investors love bling when things get dicey. So what's the vibe? Investors are buckling up for the real fireworks. Earnings from the Magnificent Seven are still ahead. Tariff drama is brewing with an August 1st deadline, and Fed Chair Powell is about to take the mic. Will he calm everyone down, or send the market into another spin? Bottom line, today was a roller coaster of earnings, tariffs, and a dash of meme stock madness. Buckle up. Wall Street's summer blockbuster is just getting started. I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more market drama with a twist.